Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to JH SOFTECH. In this session, we are going to discuss a very important concept called SAP Grow, and this I'm going to discuss in the form of question and answers. You can prepare that for the interviews, or you can explore this and know more about the SAP Grow. So I'm trying to cover all the important concepts here, and if something is there that you want me to add, you can add it in the comments and I'll be definitely taking it up. Let's get started. Now, what is Grow with SAP? Grow with SAP is a package designed for mid-sized companies or fast-growing companies to adopt SAP S/4HANA Cloud, the public edition, quickly with best practices, ready-to-run processes, and pre-configured content. What are the core components of Grow with SAP? Key components include SAP S/4HANA Cloud, the public edition, SAP Business Technology Platform, BTP, SAP Build, SAP Signavio, and a guided implementation tools. So what are the guided implementation tools is something which I'm going to cover in the coming sessions. That's very important. And what exactly is Signavio and how does it help us in the projects is what we're going to discuss in the coming sessions. Okay, how is Grow different from Rise with SAP? Grow focuses on fast public cloud deployments for mid-sized firms with constant standard best practices. Rise is more flexible for complex, larger enterprises, including private cloud. And what are fit to standard workshops in Grow projects? Fit to standard workshops evaluate customer needs against SAP's pre-built best practices, minimizing custom development. What is the role of SAP Activate in Grow with SAP? SAP Activate provides the implementation methodology with phases like discover, prepare, and explore, rise, deploy, and run phases. So in each of these phases, we do most prominent concepts or activities that will help us in the implementation overall. We're going to discuss that. What deployment approach is used to Grow? Grow projects use a public cloud, the software as a service model with a pre-configured content and rapid deployment timelines. What is included in SAP Best Practices Explorer? It provides ready-to-run business processes, test scripts, and configuration guides tailored for Grow implementations. How long does a typical Grow implementation take? Typically 8 to 12 weeks depending on scope, complexity, and team readiness. What is BTP's role in a Grow project? SAP BTP enables extension, integration, and data management services across the SAP ecosystem. Can custom developments be done in Grow projects? Customization is limited. Extensions are done using SAP BTP and side-by-side extensibility tools. So we avoid doing any kind of extensions in the core. Now here when we say core, we refer to the SAP S/4HANA, the cloud system, which is the main system we're talking about. Now what are the key benefits of Grow with SAP? Rapid deployment, lower TCO, built-in best practices, scalability, and continuous innovation via updates. What kind of client benefits from Grow? So how does a client benefit from Grow? So fast growing mid-sized companies aiming for a quick ERP cloud transformation with minimal IT investment can go for the SAP Grow. What is SAP Central Business Configuration? Central Business Configuration enables centralized configuration of SAP S/4HANA cloud systems, managing scoping and organizational structure setup. What are the testing tools in Grow implementation? Test your processes using SAP Cloud ALM and automated test scripts provided with best practices. What analytics tools are available? Embedded analytics in SAP S/4HANA Cloud, SAP Analytics Cloud for dashboards and reporting. What is the purpose of SAP Signavio in Grow? Used for business process modeling, analysis, and optimization during and after implementation. So Signavio is a very important and prominent tool which we are going to exclusively discuss in the coming sessions, and you can contact me for the SAP Signavio training as well. A full-fledged training, live training. What kind of a training is available for Grow projects? SAP Learning Hub is always there. Open SAP courses are there. Enablement videos are there, and role-based guided learning journeys are there. In which you can contact me for help in this kind of trainings, and I could help you in that. So how is data migration handled in Grow? Through SAP Migration Cockpit, templates are used to upload master and transactional data. What are the key challenges in Grow projects? Change management, scope alignment, data readiness, and team enablement are the challenges in the SAP Grow projects. Now, what is the role of partners in Grow with SAP? Partners support the implementation, provide industry expertise, and deliver customer specific onboarding. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you would like to connect for more SAP insights, do contact me, and you can subscribe to our channel, comment in the comment box, and you can like this video, share it with your colleagues or friends whom it might help, and keep watching our videos. Thank you. Have a great day. And for any SAP trainings, you can contact us.